Hello and welcome to this quick video to explain the content of my eyesight improvement course. My name is Amir Shaban, your vision trainer, and you are seeing this video because you signed up for my basic eyesight improvement course. It's a self-study, pre-recorded videos, and you can find it on my eyesighttuning.com, eyesighttuning.com, and you go to basic eyesight improvement course. So once you sign up, you will be taken to this classroom where you can see all the content. The first thing will be your guidebook. So I created this quick guidebook that walks you through the content. It has all the content for my advanced and beginners course. We're talking about mindset, setting the stage, how this program works, and let me explain that in the actual classroom. And then of course there are expectations, setting your expectations, and then what you'll be liable for when you sign up for this course. So tight. The second thing is the mindset module, which is module number 1. I'll be talking about setting the stage. So what do you expect out of this program, how to have the right mindset for improving your eyesight naturally. And then we talk about emotional freedom techniques and so on. And resource for buying cheaper glasses if you want to make a transitional glasses. We'll talk about, since this is a new material to you and you'll be learning new skills, I talk about neuroplasticity. So how neuroplasticity inside your brain is formed, how to maximize it, how to learn new skill faster. And then I'll talk about the pillars of vision improvement. This includes the vision improvement pillars for the basic and advanced course together. And then we move to module number 2, relaxation. We talk about palming. So I'll walk you through this 7-minute video to explain palming, benefits, what's going on with the anatomy of the eye, and so on. And then we talk about sunning as well, 5-minute videos. And this will be your go-to technique when you want to relax your eyes without doing a lot of work. And then breathing. This is a habit that most people who have a problem or challenge with their eyesight, they face a shallow breathing issue that they breathe from the lung only. So we walk you through deep breathing techniques. And then we talk about lung swings. This is kind of signature for Dr. Bates technique, which is moving side to side and seeing things moving. It's called oppositional movement. And then we'll talk about blinking and how to make it a habit. And we talk about exercises to release your neck. So I noticed from experience, dealing with myself and other clients, that people who have stiff neck, they are more susceptible to this kind of astigmatism or distorted cornea or eyesight. And then we move to module number 3. Module number 3, we'll talk about the terminology and anatomy of the eye. So every time you explain new thing to people, you need to make sure that we're all on the same page. So I introduce the anatomy of the eye, just basic terminologies and kind of background about your anatomy of the eye, and then sketching. This is a very cool technique that is used to kind of take all the distraction aside and then focus on one thing at a time. And this will relax the muscles surrounding your eyeball, will help you see clearer. Then we talk about stretching, vision, and fusion. So this is very simple technique, and it is an observation actually to see how your eyes communicate and work together. We talk about brain gym exercises. So this is very interesting topic. A lot of people, especially who deal with kids or adults with a little bit of a distraction or hyperactivity. So those people, sometimes they are challenged that they use one half of their brain more than the other. So the right is for creativity and so on, artistic things, and left for the logical and math interpretation and kind of like a fast processing. This is exactly how it works for eyesight improvement. You have to have balanced hemispheres, and we teach you techniques to do that. And then we talk about opening your peripheral vision. So it's not all about seeing clear on your eye chart. It's about tracking movement, seeing wider and seeing things moving all the time. And we want you to see wider to be safer as well. And for those who play sports, this will be a very good technique for you. And then we talk about eye convergence or the Bragg string. So this is a technique where both eyes are used to fuse or converge on one object and see one object only. And then we try to diverge them after we converge them. So this is another technique that I introduce. Then we move to module number 4, which is eyesight or eye care. I call it eyesight tuning. So this is a long video. It's about 15 minutes. And this will walk you through all the possible challenges you might find that are out of your comfort zone. So it could be UV blockers, could be using some softwares for your technology to protect your eyesight, could be using some supplements and food related items and substances, and I'll explain it in details how that will affect or protect your eyesight. And then I will talk about some recommended products that you can actually use to improve your eyesight, and then I walk you through a bonus question or a bonus section that is about using other techniques more than the Bates method, more than just doing eye exercises or techniques, which I discovered very beneficial. And this is all supported by scientific research, especially from Dr. Ray Gottlieb's research. So this is using rebounding for better eyesight. And then we talk about actual acupressure massage that you can do. It's a playlist that you can watch on your free time. It's very simple, 5 minutes daily routine that I do personally to improve my eyesight, and a lot of people find relief from their eye strain right after they do the exercises. I hope this was helpful, a quick introduction to my eyesight course. If you have any question, feel free to go back to book personalized service and book a one-on-one session with me, or you can scroll all the way down and email me at info@eyesighttuning.com if you have questions. The offer, this eyesight course is highly discounted at this time, and this will prepare you for the advanced course. Of course, if you decide to upgrade at some point, you have to contact me and let me know so I can enroll you in the advanced course. I can't wait to see you improve your eyesight naturally and see clearer without glasses, without depending on your glasses. And this is what happened to me personally. I don't depend on my glasses anymore. Remove the condition from the driver license, and I hope for you to do the same. And welcome aboard.